You, they had no problem. And they had me, they're like, those ninjas can eat you. If you come, they are out. Its teeth looks like it can eat you. If you just come at night. But you know it's good because no people like
that is the pest.
Oh yeah, they are the ones I think you were like, you will show me the bags. Because I was like, how many have you collected? And you were like, I'll show you. Hey. Okay. Put them in these bags.
Why? Because these bags, even if it rains, they can't, there's no tear and wear until they are really, really old.
Yeah. This looks nice. So which ones are from yesterday, or from the cleaning of the recent cleaning? Where do you get these bags?
I think it's called a so-called.
Hey! It's the one that bring air. Ooh! I know that thing.
It into soil.
That thing is very nice. It's a chocomi. Ooh! You have a lot of them.
Yeah, there are a lot in here. A lot.
Let me get an up close. These things we die for. So it breaks the whole ground up and makes it soil. This is not so nice. Where are you going? It goes and breaks.
It doesn't like being
people.
On top here.
Its place is the underground. Now there's more. So you get them and give them to the hens.
Oh, these ones got out. Why did you get out? You will die.
They have to be in the soil, and it's harder out here. Don't you fear it?
It doesn't bite.
It's still alive.
I think this one is dead. Or it's even a seed.
No, it's alive.
These things are hard. Resilient.
Was
How
trying
do they
to survive.
manage? I think there's another one here.
It looks like it was like a
So,
seed. It's like a seed. Oh. Okay, that's nice. Now that soil is very nice.
Yes.
It looks like a black soil.
Loam soil. Yes. The one
You know
they
the-
put on flowers.
Or even in a greenhouse. Because
yes.
either you do the black soil
I
or you
wish I
have
would get
to,
a greenhouse person.
or you have to really like they have a way they clean the soil like for it to get all the thingy out. Yeah, so
Do you know anybody?
flower pots. The one I filmed last time is trying to get rid of because he's getting into real estate. So he said he's going to put a part.
This one is not yet, but I wanted to show you black soldier fly. Now this one is fresh.
Hey,
from the
it really
broilers.
looks fresh. Can you imagine
this I
it becomes from this to the other? The other looks so
It will
good.
turn into
And
that.
the whole process, how long does it take to become like that soil?
I give it time. Could be about 2 months. I really give it time. But if I want black soldier fly, I can come say after a few weeks.
After a few weeks, it has a fly.
Now this is the larva of
Oh.
the black soldier fly.
Oh, it's different from the
The
Chisokomio.
it's different.
Oh, so these ones turns. Those ones are alive.
Yes.
They are in that silent stage of
When they feel a strange body, they will not move.
that's how they
will
protect
not-
themselves.
They will not move at all.
Okay. Black soldier fly.
There's a fly that lays them. After laying them, then they grow into this. Then after some time, they'll become a fly again. Yes.
Okay. It's interesting. So that's that. When it becomes, they don't fly away. They stay in here, and you can find them. When they become a fly,
you can never get them.
Oh, then how do you get them as a fly? Or you get them at that level?
You harvest them at this level.
And you keep them away?
Yes.
So that they can stay in the same place? Oh, now where do you keep them after you get them?
When I get them, I dry them and still give them to the birds.
So they eat them when they are at this
Actually, for me,
level.
what I do, I don't dry. I pour hot water into them.
Okay.
They are usually alive. And they all die. And then feed them to the chicken. Because you can see where they are coming from. It's not like really clean. So I just pour hot water. Nature Sokomia looks clean. God is great. Yet it is also coming from the same thing.
And it's purely white.
In this black thing.
And it creates, now that black soil right there is so fertile. Like it's so, you just look at it and it just looks
It looks so good.
purely fertile.
Now, come I show you where I poured the rest. Because still, I didn't have anywhere
like
to put it, to dispose it of. Here. The ones that I got yesterday. The other reason was because there was a big hole gaping, looking the other side. And my dog usually passes here when you let it free. So I was like,
and you don't want
let me
it to
block it.
to go off.
So I just put it there.
Okay.
So even that will bring
Bisoko. Even this one will bring bisoko.
after some time. I'll come and harvest.
This is nice. Kino kyekigaji.
Eh,
Basi baita aloe
Vera.
Interesting.
Aloe vera.
Aloe vera. Yes. I was going to be like aloe vera.
Then I plant this just to supplement.
What is this?
This is called
They feed chicken.
Cocoa in Uganda, but Russian Comfrey.
Russian Comfrey.
Russian Comfrey.
It is good for chicken.
Yes.
So you grow it.
So I grow.
You
and
bring it
supplement
seed.
in the feeds.
You bring it seed.
The seed is like this. Let me show you. You know, it's like
You have to uproot it from the root.
something like this. You see, if you plant this, it will grow.
Oh. How many does it grow into? More, or it grows into exactly
When
one?
it grows, it keeps producing. It's
Oh,
like the
chiranda.
banana plant.
Like
Yes.
the banana, because you bring one, then it brings babies, and then you
Then
can
it-
remove the babies and give them their own place to. Gotcha.
Kuba space yange ntono ayita pia into my sister's garden.